Hare Krishna everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's recipe is pumpkin or Farsi in Nepali. Grab your ingredient and let's cook together. Here is a super easy and tasty Farsi or pumpkin curry that you can make at home with minimal ingredient, no fancy technique. I love making it on busy days for something quick and simple. Let's get started. Cut the pumpkin into small cubes, heat oil in a pan, add 5 furan, add chopped red chilies and chopped onion, fry until golden brown. Now add the chopped garlic, and I really love the smell of the garlic. And I prefer extra chilies in my pumpkin curry because it is little bit sweet, so extra chilies will make it more better and tastier. Moving on, add the cube pumpkin to the pan, cover and cook for 10 minutes. Add the chopped tomato and cover it again. After that, stir everything well, then add coriander, cumin powder, turmeric powder and salt to taste. Mix everything well again. Pour in the water and cook on low heat. At last, garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Serve with hot rice or roti. Enjoy! Thank you for watching, and if you like the recipe, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day.